I've continued to say this for a very long time. The problem these people have is that they don't have good advisors. They don't have people that are telling them the truth. Nigerians are intelligent. Nigerians are already telling these people this is what we want. This is what we need. Tinubu is very active on Facebook. He used to see all these things that people are saying, but they cannot tell the father the truth, the solution. That is to show that these people doesn't even like this man in the first place. They don't like this man in the first place. They want this man to fail, to continue to fail every time. How can you tell me that you want to bring 5,000 camera in Jos and you think these bandits are afraid of camera? These people that have social media accounts, they have TikTok accounts, they come live on TikTok. When they want to receive money for ransom, they will be on live showing Nigerians the money that they want to collect. And after collecting the money, they will also show us their warehouse where they bank money. They don't go to the bank that we go. They have their own banks inside the bush. They will be showing us money. Don't think they are afraid of camera. This 5,000 surveillance camera we're talking about, before you know it now, they are going to tell us that they spent billions. That they spent billions on this camera. Now our Nigerian soldiers are suffering. These people, they don't have morale. Although we heard that they have increased their salary. They have increased their salary. You tried. But this particular money that you want to buy camera with, I think you can do something very wonderful with this thing. In that particular place, Jos, those areas, those communities where these people are coming, I think this money can help the youth. You can recruit about 1,000 or 2,000 young able-bodied men in every community in those places. Now give them rifle, because the other day I saw in English Alaji's page where some group of guys, they are hunters, they came out with their gun, their hunting gun, and they were able to pursue the bandit that came to kill their village, their people.
Nigerians, remember the video I posted on Friday, 27th of March 2027, how bandits attacked the people of Yatasha, and how these guys stood their ground. They stood their ground to defend their community, and bandits had to do what? Had to flee. Remember that video? I posted it on Friday. Right? Yatasha is in a Wiyadi district of Anka local government area of Zamfara state. Remember the video? Now, yesterday, being the 29th of March 2026, those bandits, they had to come back. They ran away that time to reinforce to come back. They came yesterday to re-attack them again. But guess what? The people of Yatasha still stood their ground once again. Nigeria, this is what we need.
They were able to do that with ordinary gun. Now, imagine if these people have AK. They are the one to hunt for these bandits. They are the one to go after these Boko Haram people, because it is to their own advantage. They have very big advantage. They know the surroundings. They know their forest. They know their village, because they grew there. They live there. Everything they are doing is there, and they can never betray their people, because they know that these people are invaders. They don't have friends. They are not friends, so they see them as enemy. So they will never compromise. Why not thinking this way instead of talking about camera? Do you think these people are afraid of camera? Boko Haram members that are live on TikTok, you are threatening to bring camera, to bring surveillance camera, so that they will run for you because of ordinary camera. What you people need is advisors, good ones, and for you to make use of your brain. A leader should have brain. A leader is supposed to have brain. Thank you, and God bless you. One love.